بتلومني واللوم عليك وانا روحي مفتونة بيك يا ظالم. بتلومني ليه ليه ليه؟ بتلومني واللوم عليك وانا روحي مفتونة بيك يا ظالم. بتلومني ليه 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 يا ظالم.
When I arrived in Chad in 2017, I had no clue what Moringa was, but everybody was talking about it. So I made a little research and I discovered that Moringa is already quite well known in the West because it is packed with antioxidant, vitamin, mineral. It is full of nutrients. I also learned that you can extract oil from the Moringa seed. Moringa oil is rich in oleic acid, which is amazing for our hair and skin, and it is also anti-inflammatory. There is also antioxidant. This oil is just gold, and when I learned all of this, I really wanted to have it incorporated in my boutique, in a hairline. So this is the Moringa leaf, guys. So people make a powder out of it so they can eat it as a supplement to get better health. So this is the Moringa seed. So this is where the oil comes from. So guys, for our Moringa hairline, we're going to have the shampoo. So I love this shampoo because it's very lathering, but at the same time it does not strip your hair. So this is my favorite shampoo at the moment. Then we have the Moringa conditioner. So the pH of this conditioner is very low. It's 4 to 5 because I wanted something very acidic to close down your cuticles, to avoid tangle and to avoid damage on your hair, to protect your hair. And the last project is going to be the Moringa conditioning oil. So this oil, I have been doing this recipe for years now and giving it to my friends. We love it. So this oil, I use it to as a leave-in or as a pre-poo or any time during the week that I need to manipulate my hair. My hair is very tangly, so when I need to separate my hair and to do a bun or to do anything to my hair, I always use this oil to enable me to separate my hair without like feeling that I'm ripping my hair off, you know. So this is amazing for people who have tangled hair. So those are our first 3 projects with Moringa. We're gonna have a whole hairline with Moringa, and I really hope you guys are loving those projects. Head on to our website sahelcosmetics.com and let us know what you think.